How does the bankruptcy court determine discharge? Imagine trying to start fresh financially but wondering if the court will truly clear your debts. That's what we're exploring today. When someone files for bankruptcy, the court has a process to decide if they get a clean slate. It's not automatic. It's based on specific rules and steps. After the debtor files and attends the meeting of creditors, also called the 34st meeting, the court begins reviewing the case. Creditors and the trustee can object to the discharge within about 60 days after this meeting. If no one objects, the court usually grants the discharge without further fuss. But before that happens, the court checks if the debtor followed all the rules. This includes filing all necessary documents, attending required hearings, and, in some cases, completing repayment plans. For example, in Chapter 13 cases, the debtor must finish all payments under the approved plan. The court also looks at whether the debts qualify for discharge. Some debts, like recent luxury purchases above a certain amount, tax debts, or debts from fraud, are not eligible. The court makes sure the debtor didn't do anything to disqualify themselves, like hiding assets or lying. If everything checks out, the court issues an order of discharge. This document releases the debtor from personal liability for the debts that qualify. It's then sent to creditors, the trustee, and the debtor. Once discharged, creditors cannot try to collect on those debts anymore. In Chapter 11 cases, which are for businesses, the process is similar but tied to the successful completion of a reorganization plan. The court confirms the plan, and after the business completes it, the court discharges the debts included in that plan. Usually, the discharge happens about 60 to 90 days after the meeting of creditors in Chapter 7 cases or after the plan is finished in Chapter 11. If the debtor doesn't meet requirements, like completing education courses or payments, the court can deny the discharge. Also, even after discharge, some liens on property may stay unless the court voids them. It's important to remember that once the court grants discharge, creditors are legally barred from trying to collect those debts, and trying to do so can lead to penalties. So, the court's decision on discharge is based on a clear set of rules, procedural steps, and whether the debtor has met all legal requirements. It's designed to give honest debtors a fresh start while protecting the rights of creditors.